So welcome students. In this question, we are asked to find sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity log x to the base e power n by n factorial. So in this question, let us write log x to the base e as equal to a. Let us write the expansion what is asked. So first n is equal to 0. A power 0 by 0 factorial is 1 plus a power 1 by 1 factorial, a by 1 factorial, plus a square by 2 factorial, plus a cube by 3 factorial, plus so on up to infinity. So this is what is asked. And straightforwardly, this is the expansion of e power a, right? So this is equal to e power a. That is equal to e power a is nothing but log x to the base e. So you have an e here, you have an e in the base. So everything will get cancelled out. So you get x as the answer. So the property that I am using is a power log x to the base a. So if this and this are same, all the things will get cancelled out. You just get x as the answer. So the answer to this is x. Thank you.